up, what up? Welcome to the new HustleTech University in 2020. Better shooting location, better sound, better lighting. Big boss CEO Jesus Cain here. Temple of Gods and Pink Picasso luxury streetwear will be available in May. In today's demonstration, I'm going to show you how to use a heat press. All gas, no brakes, we going in. Today's demonstration, I'm going to show you how to use a heat press. Here we have an inkjet heat transfer and Caesar glitter HTV, both of which I personally designed in Photoshop. They both have different pressure settings as well as different temperature settings. We will go into detail about those differences. Let's take a look at the heat press that we use here at HTU. Okay, this is the heat press that we use here at HustleTech University. It has a 2-inch LCD screen. It has a 12 by 15 press surface. It has a 360-degree completely swing away arm, so there's no burnt knuckles or any type of problems with that. The bottom platen is removable. It has attachments that allow you to do hats as well as t-shirts, bandanas, aprons, plates, and mugs. When this press arrived from Amazon, it came in a big old box, like 2 or 3 times as big as this press, completely encased in high density styrofoam with the instruction manual on top. I really appreciate the effort this company took to ship this product. For today's demonstration, we're going to press a inkjet heat transfer as well as a glitter transfer. Let's get it. Okay, we're going to be pressing a simple inkjet heat transfer, which I designed in Photoshop and printed with the Epson XP6000. The inkjet transfer is a Nene 3G opaque, which is recommended for dark garments or black blanks. Okay, the first thing that I like to do is to clean the blank with a lint roller just to get off any debris or anything like that. Let me move this press over just a little so I can clean this garment. Alright, the next step that I want to do is I like to press the blank for about 5 seconds, which helps remove any wrinkles or any moisture from the blank. You just press it for about 5 seconds. Okay, that's long enough. Okay, once you've pressed your garment, got the moisture and the wrinkles out, the very next thing you want to do is place your design where you want it very carefully. Center it up. I just use the eye method. It's very simple for me. Okay, and it looks about right for me. Okay. The next thing you want to do is place your cover sheet over top. Okay. This cord kind of acts up because I think it's got a short in it. There it goes. I'm going to keep it in there. We're not starting over. Give it a second to heat right back up to the temperature of 350 degrees. Only takes a few seconds. Okay, looks like the press is about ready. Now we're going to press this inkjet transfer at 350 degrees for 30 seconds with medium pressure, and we Gucci. Okay. Once the 30 seconds is over, this inkjet transfer has a cool peel, so you want to wait till it cools completely off. Maybe give it about 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, the press is letting me know that it's done. We're going to release it. Lift it up. Okay, after waiting about a minute or so, the blank in the transfer has cooled off. We're going to peel away very slowly with a slow, even peel. One minute later, we have a custom design blank. All right. For part 2 of this demonstration, I will be pressing scissor glitter heat transfer vinyl, a design that I made in Photoshop and cut utilizing my Silhouette Cameo 3. Okay, the first thing I like to do before I press the t-shirt is I like to clean it off. I use a regular lint roller. I like to get off any debris or lint or anything that you may see or may not see on your blank. Just roll it through a couple times. Alright, the next thing I like to do is I like to press it for 5 to 7 seconds. That gets out any wrinkles or any moisture that may be in the blank. So we're going to do that next. 375. Alright. We're going to go ahead and press out these wrinkles and moisture. 5 to 7 seconds. Alright, just a quick press. Alright, simple and plain. For the final demonstration, we have our scissor glitter HTV. I'm going to center it about 2 fingers down from the top neck label. Okay, we're going at 375 degrees for 30 seconds, medium pressure. Let's get it. Just a little bit here. Still a little. Okay. 375, 30 seconds, medium pressure. Okay, one thing I like to note is that the scissor glitter HTV is a hot peel. So you don't have to wait till the shirt or the design cools. It is a hot peel. Okay, 30 seconds is up. Okay, the scissor glitter HTV is a hot peel. Very simple and easy. Look at that. That's pretty. That is pretty right there. Less than 15 seconds later, you have a premium quality, retail ready garment. If you have any questions or concerns about this heat press or any other equipment you see us utilizing here at HustleTech University, leave them at the comment section below. Are you looking for a quality heat press? Please research the links that we provided in the video description box below. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our platform may receive a tiny portion of that transaction if you make a purchase. I really appreciate you hanging out with me until the end of this demonstration. If you're looking for more helpful tutorials, please subscribe to the channel. In the very next video, I'm going to show you how to upload your very own content to your platform. With that being said, this is Hustle Tech University, Big Boss CEO Jesus Cain here. Eat, grind, rewind. Until next video, deuces.